Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardena. I would like to thank everyone who watched my first video and all my new subscribers and everyone who gave me a thumbs up and all the nice comments that was left. I'm doing a small Etsy share. This is purchased from Masha by Masha Studios. I purchased some handmade crochet doilies. I got a lot of 21. 3 pieces were 14 to 15 inches. And this is the first one. And it's white. And they're all different sizes. This is the next one. It's hard to find these in our thrift stores here in Somerset, which I don't get out a lot. I'm a homebody, so I stay in quite a bit. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then she also provided some extra ones as a thank you, which I truly appreciate. They're just stunning. Her crochet work is awesome, which I crochet, but I've never really crocheted doilies. I normally do Afghans or things like that. My grandmother taught me how to crochet when I was younger. This is a star pattern. This one is a beige pattern, or beige color, and it's also a star pattern. I got sort of an off-white and beige colors. It's the colors that I got. This is another beige. This is the 7-inch pieces. And you get 7 of those. This one has a star in the middle of it. Little scalloped edging. That one sort of has a star shaped. That one has pretty scalloped edging with the star in the middle. It's beige. This is a star shaped. It's very pretty. And here's another one. It's beige in color. And these you get 11 pieces. They are 5 to 5.5 inches. And it's a star shaped. This is a beige one. It's a star shaped. Another beige one. It's a star shaped. Another white one. It's a star shaped. There's a beige one. And a white one. Here's a white one. Has like a different kind of edging, like a scalloped edging. That's really cute. There's a beige one. There's a round one with some scallop edging. There's a white one that's star shaped. There's a star shaped one that's beige. There's another beige one that's star shaped. And then another beige one that's star shaped. I just wanted to come on and share that with you. I wanted to let everyone also know that I'm working on my first digital kit in honor of Veterans Day. My husband's grandmother lived with us, and I inherited all of her pictures. She passed away in July. She had dementia. I inherited her pictures, me and my husband did, and she had a lot of pictures of her brothers that were in the military. Her husband was in the military. Her son was in the military. My husband was in the military. My father was in the military. My uncles on both sides of my family were in the military. So we're a big military family. I appreciate all of our veterans. So in honor of Veterans Day, I'm going to scan in her old black and white photos. And some of the photos that I have of my father while he was in the Marine Corps at Parris Island with his grandmother and then my grandparents and his military photos, and try to get those up on Veterans Day. And hopefully I can get my first digital kit. So I hope you all like this little short video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I am working on my next journal, which this is the front cover, which I'm not quite done yet. It's going to be a gratitude journal. This is the inside. Not quite finished with it yet either. It all has cloth and lace and vellum. But I should have it together soon. And I hope to see you again. Hope everyone is doing well. And everyone have a good day. Goodbye.